everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix disabled logins. First of all, turn off any VPN or proxy if you're using any. After that, restart your iPhone. After restarting your phone, try to log in again. If that still does not work, go to your app store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Updating your app is a very important step because it will clear out any bugs that was in the older version and it will give you a smoother and a newer version. So make sure to update it. Now if that didn't work, go to your settings, search for iPhone storage, and then scroll down, click on Facebook, and then click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Safety tip: avoid VPNs during account creation. And quick fix: contact Facebook support to unlock. Now if none of those steps work, log in from your original region if possible, and that's it.